All right, here we are again. We're making some gifts. Actually, I'm just practicing my metal craft techniques. I've got my embossed metal tape, which is just aluminum HVAC tape. Got my cheap empty tins from Dollar Tree, $1.25. I've got my ribbon. Different types that I bought at Dollar Tree. These are at Dollar Tree too. This is from Amazon, little chain. And what I do, I just put different strips of metal tape in different configurations. I use my glue gun to put my beads on. This one's still in process. This one's just about done. And it makes it look a little fancy, but it's just a cheap tin box and different items from Dollar Tree and metal tape. And using my little embossing folders to create different patterns. Peel and stick. Very simple. And I think it'll make a nice gift. Also, I'm working on my cell phone holders here. Same thing. They are $1.25 at Dollar Tree. Just a floating shelf. And I was thinking to myself, this will make a pretty good cell phone holder. And so, excuse me, I started adding tape to it. And just different metal tape. This is the copper tape that I have. And my embossing folders. And this is the first one that I made. Made a little stand to keep it upright. And you can add anything you want to it. And you can put your phone down horizontally or vertically. It just depends. You can do whatever you want to. So I got these two done. And then I have this one here that is done just about. This is a gift for somebody. And they will be able to put their phone vertically, or they'll be able to lay it down. So just some tape, glue, cheap little floating shelf that's been modified, and a couple of cheap tin boxes, tin foil tape, some beads, and like I said, glue gun is my best friend. And like I say, a little creativity. I got my gears from Amazon as well. It will be glued on there. Yeah, glued my gears there. I also made this little sign for mine, House of Robinson. And I'll go back and fix the back here later. But for right now, I think that looks pretty good. So there's a top. You know, like I say, just simple. And just practicing, doing something productive with different scraps. And here's some bottles that I'm working on. Got crap everywhere, but that's how it is. These are also cheap signs from Dollar Tree, $1.25. I put tape over them. This is one of the embossing folders with words on it that turned out pretty good. And then here's some cheap bottles that I'm experimenting with, putting the embossed metal tape on. Got a tiara that I'm going to put on there for a little extra bling bling. These are $1.25 at Dollar Tree. Going to heat it up, soften it up, and mold it to the bottle. This is an empty vodka bottle that I'm in the process of adding bling bling to, just to experiment. And like I said, there's no perfect way to do this. I'm just experimenting. So this one, I'm experimenting with different textures, types of tape, to see what I like and what combinations look best to me. And this one says thinking. It's a little name tag that I made. Piece of wood and some tape. Just experimenting. So anyway, that's all for now.